All right, so I wanted to show you guys how I fit the plywood up snug against the beams like that. It's just like I'd be doing inside on the cabinets where I scribe it. So what I do is I cut it long to what this width would be. I bring it down and I nail it in right against snug under my rafters. I take my square, mark the outsides of that stud, run it. All these are 5.5 inches because it's a 2x6. So then I snap a chalk line all the way, make sure it's all the way snug there. And if it is a little loose, guess what? That's where a batten runs up to, so it doesn't matter. So you're hiding all your seams, and a piece of trim, 1x4 goes between each rafter. So there's no ugly cut here, but you want to get it as tight as possible so that you don't see any type of seam. So that's how I do it, and you can see there, that's how snug it is there. It works great, it's a great method, and hi Finny.